What's up guys, your boy Dual Guy, and I'm back here again with another video. So today's video we are going to be working on my Ford Focus ST. We are going to be doing an install on the Focus ST. You might ask what the install is. We're going to be installing the Boomba Racing all your dipstick stuff. So obviously, as you guys can see, my access port is just sitting here. I used to have this cool access port install stuff right here, and I lost it. I mean, it broke. And yeah, and this my access port video, if you haven't seen it yet, make sure you go check it out and watch it. And we're first gonna pop up the hood. We might need some rug. So this is what we're gonna be changing the oil dipstick. We're gonna be removing this little thing in here and put the metal piece back in the Boomba thing, and it's gonna sit real good. So first we're gonna get some paper to wipe this down, and we're gonna do the install. Okay boys, so number one thing we're gonna do is we're gonna pull this out, the dipstick itself, and we're gonna wipe it off, and then we are gonna do the install. But before I do the install, I'm gonna show you guys a beautiful Boomba Racing dipstick I have in my hand, which is right here. This is the Boomba Racing dipstick. I'm gonna take it out of the bag. Yeah, this is the Boomba dipstick, and it says Boomba on it. I don't know if you guys can, there we go, it's focused now. It says Boomba Racing on it. There we go, Boomba Racing on it, and it's red. I got it red because I thought it would match my intake. It's not really matching it because my intake is more red. This is more like a little, I don't know, it's not really red. So I don't know if I should return it and get a black one, or just do the install and make it sit in there. I'm sure in photos you're not going to be able to see the difference, but when you come up close in person, you see like, oh shit, it is not red, it does not match the red intake. But that's fine, we are just doing an install, and I think it's gonna look good. It kind of matches the ST logo right here, so it's fine. I think it will go with it. And yeah, so we're gonna get right into the install. Alright boys, so basically I'm going to explain how this is done. So basically there's a pin that goes in here that holds the metal piece that goes right there with it. All you have to do is get that pin out and the metal piece will come out. Then when you get the Boomba Racing one, same thing, it has a metal piece. I know it's not able to focus because it's so big, like the lens is just wide. And basically there's the same metal piece, and you just put it in and just let it come through the back, and that's it. And it goes right in there and it holds it tight. And this is what it looks like after it's been installed. I'm gonna go ahead and put it in here, and boom, look at how nice it looks in the engine bay. So this is how you do the Boomba dipstick install. I like it because my car is red. This is anodized red, so it does not match this red right here. Obviously this red and this is different. This red more matches my paint than this red, so I don't really care because it's under the hood, and I think this red and this almost matches together, so that's fine. And I'm gonna get the same thing. I'm gonna get the same part for the oil cap, so I think we'll be fine, boys. But other than that, we are done with this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I hope you guys loved the video, and thank you guys for watching.